thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. I'm Simran and I create makeup tutorials for all those who are beginners and don't know how to do makeup, and we are going to create this look. So let's see how we are going to do it. So guys, I've already prepared my face and I'm quickly going to show you the products with which I have done my face. First, I've used this BB cream. If you would have seen my earlier videos, you would have known that I don't use foundation, I use a BB cream instead. And this is the Nude concealer which I have used, which is in the shade 02 Natural Beige. And now we are quickly going to move towards the eyes. So this is going to be the palette which I'm going to use for my eyes. This is the Nudes Maybelline New York. It comes with this brush.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, you can see the difference from both the eyes. So we are going to quickly do this one now. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.